Hey guys, Super Optimistic Noodle Squad here. And hey, thanks for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you watching it. And thanks to everyone who views and watches. And a double thanks to everyone who put these images out here without copyrights. And enjoy the video! Welcome back to our review indie games series. Today's first game is Escape Squidward Obby. Rob, take it away.
Alright.
Yo, yo, yo!
This game is made by Anime is Awesome. If you read it, their group is named Anime is Awesome.
Yo, yo, yo!
The description: can you escape Squidward for a surprise? Only 1% can beat this obby.
Yo, yo, yo!
That's because, like, there's 29 people playing. Can you?
There were 16.1 million plus visits, so it was popular.
It was. I doubt only 1% could actually beat it.
Yo, yo, yo!
Store?
And this is where I think they're smoking pot.
Yo, yo, yo!
100 Robux for a VIP server? That's ridiculous.
Alright, well, I'm gonna hop in the game.
Yeah,
And
same.
let's get it started. So this is an obby, and if only 1% can complete, then we're probably not gonna complete it. Oh, wow.
Yo, yo, yo!
Yeah, you saw that, didn't you? Wow, free models galore.
Wow.
Wow.
What?
A card.
Yo, yo, yo!
Ooh.
What?
Yo, yo, yo!
Alright.
That's cheating, though.
What?
Hi, Brennan.
Oh, hello. Alright, Rob, as we go down.
Can't you just, like, run to the end of the course and, like... I just to walk on the railings just to not have to... You know that, right?
Yes, but we're gonna do the game.
We're doing the game.
My god, that free model is lagging.
I know. Oh my god, it's invisible on the back. Oh no!
Yo, yo, yo!
Did you die? Wait, you made it. Oh, look. Oh, so hard. This is so
I'm gonna laugh.
hard.
Am I
Yo, yo, yo!
done, guys? Oh no, not done.
You scoot back.
Sorry.
All right,
Did you die?
Nah, I'm already going. Krabby
Yeah.
Patties.
Yo, yo, yo!
Krabby Patties.
They look like the balls on Wipeout.
Hold on. Around and around.
Wait, what? Blotches? That
Yo, yo, yo!
killed you? You fell?
Yeah, because it's like, what? It sent me all the way back here.
I swear, if it's the last one.
I did it on my first try.
I knew it. I knew it was the last one.
Which one do I start on? Do I go left, right, or center?
You gotta figure it out yourself.
It,
Do it yourself.
it's... It's... Keep going straight.
Ah!
No,
Wow.
So wait.
Gamer.
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm just gonna keep going this way, and then he...
No.
Oh.
It's the far one. You stupid.
Hey, I don't want to hear you roasting me. You're not in this, Avi. You're not trying to figure it out with me.
I played Roblox when it was actually good.
Yo, yo, yo!
Whoa! We're getting roasted here, boys.
Right.
Yo, yo!
Wow, this is. Oh.
What?
You do not know that beat. Alright, wait for it to come back. There you go.
Oh god, this is extra challenging.
Oh, wow. What is this?
Yo! Ah!
Obby progress 100%. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no, we're going into Squid Vex.
Oh.
Oh, I missed
Oh
it!
my god, it teleported me to another game.
I literally missed the squid. Whoa, it teleported me. Got
Yo,
it!
yo, yo! Ah!
Oh
Escape.
dang, we're in different servers.
Alright, well, I'm the only one in my server.
Yeah, same. I think there's only one person allowed in each server.
Yeah. Alright. Well, we didn't sign up for this, but...
Oh god. Oh, just read the what the ladies say. Their grammar.
Come on, let's escape
like-
Baldy's class.
Garrett.
Watch out for the shots. It's poison. What?
I bet you only 1% of people can complete it because this
Why
is
are there?
so
Hold on. Why?
Yo, yo, yo! Ah!
Why are there vaccines in a school and why is it
You
war?
finally hear the teachers have gone mad. Come on,
Oh
this is
my
your only
God.
chance to escape. So,
Oh my
like,
God.
they're just free promoting their future games.
Oh my god.
Hobby percent. 25% on the first maze. Oh, there's definitely going to be another one.
Yo, yo, yo! Ah!
Watch out for the shots. It's poison.
What just happened?
You hit the corner of that.
Alright, is there no
There's
chance?
different things. It's different, but like.
Baldy's basic. What the heck?
Yeah, we're gonna Baldy's. We gotta escape Baldy's school for a surprise, I guess.
What?
Didn't you skip school?
What?
The surprise was
Dang,
that.
it's not.
Yeah, this is the surprise. Oh my god, it's so laggy that it
It's
just...
the same thing. Nope, it's not.
Okay,
Dang.
hurry here and good luck.
Green.
Green.
Baldy's ruler. I bet it disappears behind me, doesn't it? Oh my god.
What have you done?
I was being stupid and trying to
I
walk along the
escaped
edge.
Baldy. I escaped Baldy.
Okay, I'll be out in a minute. I'm 66% done.
Oh, it teleports you
Oh
to
god.
another game.
What color is it?
Just going through games.
It's green, green, green.
Is it actually?
Yes, it's actually green,
Yo, yo!
green, green.
Skip to end. What does that do?
Skip.
Here, I'm waiting for you to come in the server.
Skip to end.
Hey, you made it. You escaped Baldy.
Is this
Oh my
another? Is this
God.
another cheat? Oh, am I still screen sharing on Discord?
Yes.
And enjoy the video.
Yo, yo, yo! Ah!
Watching you.
Oh no, it's Freddy.
Oh yeah, you joined.
Oh, it's loud.
Yo, yo, yo!